Hi, we're going to talk today about voice memos. So, Voice Memo is a native app on the iPad. It is this guy right here. So, if you click on that, what's great about voice memos is you can capture ideas on the go. You can use the Voice Memo app to record a thought so you won't forget it. You can listen to it later to incorporate your ideas into a lesson or an activity or to share your thoughts with others. So to get started, you open it up on your iPad, tap the record button right down here, and you start recording. Once you are done recording, press stop, and then up here in the top right, you can see the three dots here. You can skip silence, you can enhance your recording, you can speed it up or slow down. You can also crop it here where you can edit it, take it in and out. And then let's do cancel as far as trimming. And then over here, if I hit done at the bottom, you can use the Sharo and you can airdrop it, email it to someone, text it to someone, put it in your drive, and so on and so forth. So that's how you use voice memos. This could be easily used with students, and that they could read a passage to you and you could use it for fluency checks later. You could also have them read their spelling words. There could be a whole bunch of uses for screen or the voice recording. It's your thoughts are limitless. Hope you enjoy.